In nearly every area of heavy industry, corrosion and wear are phenomena of paramount concern. In the pursuit to locate and produce greater quantities of oil and gas each year, energy companies are forced to operate farther away from the shore and in deeper waters. This remote drilling involves extracting and transporting abrasive, caustic fluids at high temperature and pressure. The extreme stress placed on pipelines and processing equipment, coupled with near unimaginable costs for repair, has caused the industry worldwide to redefine their standards for long-term corrosion and wear protection. The U.S. Federal Highway Administration estimates almost 200,000 bridges, or 1 of every 3 bridges in the U.S., is structurally deficient or functionally obsolete. Corrosion from exposure to harsh environments, such as saltwater and roadway de-icing salts, is the primary cause. As a response, nearly every state has adopted the policy of best maintenance, where considerable research and development is underway to identify the next generation of protective solutions. Abakan Inc. has the right to acquire 75% of Mesicoat Inc., a solution provider for metal wear and corrosion protection. Mesicoat has developed a revolutionary high-energy density fusion cladding process, Cermaclad, that provides exceptional levels of wear and corrosion resistance for large area applications such as gas and oil pipelines, chemical storage and process equipment, tankers and bridge structures at a fraction of the cost of competing solutions. This technology has applications in numerous other large markets such as mining, water infrastructure, nuclear power, and military, among others. Cermaclad shows the promise to surpass the corrosion and wear standards of all current coating and cladding processes. Wear and corrosion costs an estimated $1.2 trillion annually worldwide in early replacement, lost production, poor performance, damage to metal structures, vessels, and machinery. The combined clad pipe and clad plate markets, in which steel plates and tubes are clad with corrosion-resistant alloys, is worth $3.8 billion worldwide and $1.5 billion in the U.S. According to experts, a better alternative that can reduce the life cycle cost of final products would double the market size for metal cladding over the next 3 years to $3 billion in the U.S. Today, the most common solution to mitigate extremely corrosive elements is a process known as laser cladding, where a coating is fused to a surface by the use of a laser. This process is expensive and time-consuming. In the case of pipelines, it creates multi-year lead times for purchasing pipeline, as the laser cladding can't match the line speed of the steel mills. There is a multi-billion-dollar market opportunity for providing pipeline companies with a cladding solution that is cost-competitive and can reduce lead time and provides better performance in the ongoing battle against corrosion. For bridges and ships, wear and corrosion are currently combated using multi-layered epoxy coatings. Each year, the federal government and state departments of transportation spend billions of dollars on bridge rehabilitation and maintenance due to corrosion. The useful life of these structures and vessels would be extended significantly if they could be clad rather than painted. However, the existing cladding methods are too time-consuming and expensive. Cermaclad has the potential to allow users to obtain the benefits of cladding with a corrosion-resistant alloy at a cost comparable to applying an epoxy coating. This opens up tremendous opportunities in the oil and gas, infrastructure, and marine industries. Cermaclad offers the promise of faster, better, and cheaper cladding for large area applications. Here's why. Faster. The Cermaclad process has a 15 to 75 times wider application area as compared with the narrow focal point application area for laser cladding. A single laser head fuses a track of 0.7 centimeters per pass, whereas the Cermaclad system fuses a track of 12 to 60 centimeters in one pass. This would allow a single Cermaclad system to coat 28 miles of pipe in a year versus 2 miles for a single laser cladding system. Cheaper. The Cermaclad system offers focused energy that delivers the precise amount of heat necessary to bond cladding materials to metal surfaces. Laser cladding, on the other hand, overheats the substrate metal, creating a mixing effect, which requires that a thicker layer of coating be applied. The elimination of this effect should allow for the use of coatings that are 50 to 67% thinner as compared with laser-clad coatings that have the equivalent or improved performance compared to currently used technologies. This should bring the cost of expensive alloy coatings such as alloy 625 and 825 down substantially. Better. The Cermaclad system can be used to extend the useful life of large structures such as pipelines, ships, rail cars, chemical plants, and bridges by cladding them in a protective, corrosion-resistant metal. This would afford substantially better protection than epoxy paints, which are commonly utilized today. When used to coat oil and gas pipelines, this wide application area results in a smoother surface finish, which reduces or eliminates the need for post-finishing, resulting in additional savings. The smoother coating should also lead to longer time operational cost savings for the pipeline operators by reducing the cost required for compressing the oil and gas. With its investment in Mesocoat, Abakan is ushering in a new paradigm in the corrosion prevention world.